Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video tutorial on Weka data analysis. In our last video tutorial, we have discussed on missing value analysis. And today we are going to focus on data type conversion. It is one of the important parts of data cleaning. Let's start the session. In data analysis, data type conversion refers to either implicitly or explicitly changing a value from one data type to another. In Weka, we use conversion-specific filter. Suppose to convert numeric data into nominal format, we use numeric to nominal filter. In Weka, these conversion options are available. For first three options, the source type is numeric and target types are nominal, date and binary respectively. In classification problem, target class should be nominal, so it's a must to convert numeric data to nominal. If the attribute contains only 0 and 1, it's better to convert them into binary format. Now this nominal to binary, it helps to generate dummy variables from a specific attribute. Finally, if our attribute contains string type data, we can convert them into nominal using this option. Now we are going to Weka and demonstrate the type conversion process. From this Weka GUI, we will choose Explorer. Now we will open a new file for data analysis. Open file, we will go to Weka data, then we will use Heart Risk Study dataset. This dataset contains 3658 instances of 16 attributes. Now we are going to inspect all the attributes one by one. First one is male and the type is numeric, but it contains only two distinct values, 0 and 1. So we are planning to convert them into binary format. Now we will choose the specific filter for this. Choose filter, then unsupervised, attribute, then numeric to binary filter. Now we will click on this specific filter. Our attribute index is 1, so we will set 1 in this position. Now OK and apply. Let's check this again. Now our male attribute contains only two classes, 0 and 1, and the type is nominal. So we have converted numeric data into binary data, which is basically nominal format for two classes. Next one is age. It contains 39 distinct values. We must set a cutoff. Suppose we will convert numeric values into nominal when there will be a maximum 10 distinct values. Otherwise we will keep those as numeric. So we are not going to further on age. Now let's go to the education. It contains 4 distinct values. So it will be a good idea to convert it into nominal format. Now we will choose a new filter. Choose. From the same unsupervised and attribute, we will choose numeric to nominal. Let's click on it. We will apply this filter on third attribute. Then OK and apply. Let's back to education. Now it has exact 4 classes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's move to the next one. For this current smoker, we can either convert to nominal or binary. Let's go for nominal. So the attribute indexes will be 4, OK and apply. Now 6 per day. It contains 33 distinct values, so it's better to keep it as numeric. The attribute BPMed contains 2 distinct values, prevalent stroke, prevalent hypertension, diabetes. Also contain numeric data with 2 distinct values. So we will convert all of them into nominal. So let's go to the filter. Now in attribute index, we will use 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now OK and apply. So we have converted BPMeds, prevalent stroke, prevalent hypertension and diabetes into nominal format. Now total call. It contains 241 distinct values. Now SysBP. Similar to total call, it also contains 231 distinct values. Then diabetes and BMI, heart rate, glucose all contain more than 70 distinct values. So we will keep all of them as numeric values. Finally, our target attribute 10-year CHD has two classes of data. It's better to convert it into nominal format. So we will go to numeric to nominal filter, and in attribute index we use 16 and let's apply it. So in our data analysis, we try to explain how to convert the data types as per our requirements. That's all for today.